Hello, and welcome back to another video, where today I'm just going to talk to you about seeing if I can get some gaming footage on the weekend, because I'm going to see if I can get some VR footage and maybe some Xbox footage. But for now, I hope you enjoy this little review that I have done. So, I know that quite a couple of people did enjoy the Prometheus review, so I decided to do another review of a Nerf gun. And this time, we're going to be doing the Nerf Rival Jupiter, which is the Nerf Rival sniper rifle, and it is probably the best one you can get that actually looks like a sniper and acts as one. It is one of the only proper Nerf snipers because you actually have a bolt action here. And the way how you would prime it, because the Prometheus was fully automatic, this one is Springer, so you have to prime it and then fire it, not just hold down the trigger. So to prime it, you pull up on this knob here, and then you pull back, push forward, and then go back down. You need to do that fully, otherwise it won't fire. You need to do that entire procedure perfectly, otherwise it will just jam or straight up not fire. So remember that. So because the Nerf Jupiter is a rival gun, you need to shoot the little yellow balls out of the gun, like the Prometheus. However, it doesn't come with the yellow balls. The Jupiter comes with its special own green balls. So there is a difference in them. This one has more holes that are actually deeper in, rather than more flat like these ones, so that they are more accurate and a bit faster. However, you can't shoot it as many times as the yellow ones because these ones are a bit weaker and they won't last as long. Now, the way that you actually load a Jupiter is quite like another rival gun called the Kronos, which is a pistol, where you pull it back, but you leave it back, and then you get a bit of ammo, and then you put it into this hole here. And then you've loaded one round. It holds a maximum of 10. Or is it 8? It's 10 or 8. And then you push it forward, push it back down, and then you can fire one round. Another thing for the Jupiter is that it actually has a proper priming indicator. And it's a bit harder to see than most priming indicators, but it is there. So it's this little part behind the stock there. You see that little yellow bar there? So when I prime this, you'll see that bar go back. There. And now it's more forward and it's more distinct to see. So it's not that good of a priming indicator, but it is there. Another feature of the Rival Jupiter is that it has two rails, unlike the Prometheus, which only has one smaller rail. Oh no, it does have two. It has a small one on top and a small one on the bottom. However, this one has two good rails where you can attach your red dot or scope onto here, and you can attach the Rival Jupiter bipod that actually comes with it. But I might do that in a later episode. Another very nice feature of the Jupiter is back here, where you can adjust this so that it can either be sitting like that, or if you pull in this part here, it can be a bit lower. And this can help if you want to get that perfect sniper shot, to just aim it properly if, like, you're on a hill or you're down low, so you can get that very nice shot for the memes. Now let's get on to the firing demo. Now I can actually confirm that the Jupiter holds 10 rounds, not 8. So yeah, on to the firing demo now. So yeah, the firing demo for the Nerf Rival Jupiter. So, as you can see, it was just like the Prometheus, where you can't actually see the bullets being fired out because they shoot so fast. But you can definitely hear the dings, and I did shoot down the two little things I had set up there and there on the bed ends. So, in conclusion, for tacticalness, I wouldn't actually highly recommend a Jupiter because of that bolt action prime. It takes quite a bit to prime it. Instead of just going the usual Nerf gun where you just go like that, or it's rapid fire, you have to lift up the bolt, pull it back, push it forward, then put it back down. Although it is a very fun blaster, and I would recommend it if you just want to have fun. So yeah, in conclusion, I would recommend it and not recommend it, depending on what you want. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. Also check out the first part of the Nerf review series.